Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today. What's up, family members? How y'all feeling out there? How y'all feeling, man? I miss y'all, of course, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all peeked, my hair gone. My hair is gone, you know what I'm saying? I had to cut it off, chop it off. You know it's the winter time. Hair gonna be cold a little bit, but it's all good, it's all good. Comment down below, man, let me know how y'all been feeling, how y'all been doing. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Of course, you know I got my Eagle jersey on. You know I got the Eagle jersey on. Gotta represent. 10-1, baby. Comment that too down below. Your favorite NFL team. We're here for the shoes. Y'all here for these Air Jordan 4s? Y'all my Manieres? Oh yeah, these joints fire. These joints is heat. Shout out to Corporate, by the way. You know what I'm saying? I want to raffle by them. I always go over there, you know what I'm saying? Shop my little good stuff. They'll put the link down below. So they had a in-store raffle for these joints right here. So all you had to do is go in the store. Just going to drop some beanies out, some gloves. You know what I'm saying? Stuff for, you know what I'm saying? Get back. Basically, it's corporate and bigger than sneakers. So it's basically both all together. Then I'm talking about the shoe, man. So we'll get the shoe out, man. For the bag, like I said, I got these from corporate. So if you're in the Indianapolis area or Cincinnati area, like I said, I'll put the link down below to their website and Instagram. Go and shoe over there. Got these joints from there. So shout out to corporate for sure. So here go the cover of them, of course. So I did a video before, the Maniere 3s. And the same cover is on there with the A on it. It's their logo for Maniere. It's their logo right here. Let's take the cover off of here. Box right here, say Maniere. Got the Jordan Wing logo and then flight. Got a size 10, 11.5 in length. So it says Air Jordan 4 Retro SP, violet, medium, ash black, size 10. The retail price on these was $225. So the taxes was like $246. Not too bad. I did see these in hand. The material on these joints is super crazy. Super crazy. Like, Maniere in the collab with Jordan don't never fail at all. Ever since they've been collabing, they haven't failed yet. So they've been going up. They've been upping up the skull, as they say. But also, I forgot one more thing in detail on this box. Got another A logo for Maniere, the logo, like I said. But let's get these bad boys out. You can see the reflection. You see Jordan right there. That's hard. I ain't gonna lie, that's hard. One of the greatest players of all time. Can never go wrong with it. Maniere. Right there. And it's crazy when you look at it and we look far away, you can just tell it's Michael Jordan. That's heat, bro. Hey, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 4 Maniere joints.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is ready.
Man, super clean. Definitely shoe of the year up there with Lost and Found. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. It's just hard to tell. It just seeing these in hand, bro. Like the material, the colorway. You got the cream midsole here. Just 10 out of 10 for sure, man. 10 out of 10. If you hating on this shoe, man, what you hating on? What you hating on for sure, man. But these joints are super clean. The detail of these is crazy. Like the little detail right here. But I'm gonna just zoom in for right here for you to get a close-up video. Here you go, man. Maniere Retro 4s. Also got the logo right here. The little stem say Maniere. So these, like I said, these joints are super clean. I'm gonna go in detail much as I can of this shoe. But if you got any questions, concerns about this shoe, you know what I'm saying, comment down below. Let me know. I will answer all your questions for sure. And I will post these on my Instagram page. You know what I'm saying? I'm posting on my TikTok. So make sure you follow those pages down below, man. But let's go ahead and talk about the shoe, man. Also, here you got your cream outsole. So on this Nike logo here is black, but on the heel, right here on the top of the toe area here, let's say it's a muted purple. It might look brown on camera, but it says muted purple. That's what it says. Violet, you know what I'm saying, around like muted purple, that's what they calling it. The midsole here, you got your cream midsole right here, invisible air sole right here, if y'all can see it. So on the upper of the shoe, it's a nubuck material, but I wouldn't say leather, but it's more of a nubuck. It's more like a soft nubuck material. Of course, on the back of the heel, got your Nike Air. I love that detail on any Retro 4. The Nike Air on the back of the heel tab is just super fire, man. Definitely for sure. On tongues here, y'all can see they are mismatched. So on the left shoe here, you have the Maniere logo with the flight. Also on this right shoe here, we have the black Jumpman logo with the white flight, like I said, but it's a mismatched tongue here. On the inside of the shoe, it has this right here, Maniere. It has a season Hall of Fame 2022, approved by Michael Jordan himself. And it says, inspired by street culture, fashion, and the greatest athlete in history. That's what it says right there. A little close up so y'all can see it. And this material right here, I love this material. It has a sand, if y'all can see it, right here on the heel tab here. So I'm gonna give y'all guys a close up on this. So on the left shoe, it says it's not about the shoes. Then on the right shoe, it says it's about where you're going. Signed by Michael Jordan. Another detail on the shoe as well. You got this thick little thing. It says I'm Maniere. You got the Jordan logo right here. So, like I said, overall, shoe 10 out of 10. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all picked up a pair. You know what I'm saying? You passed. Or you hit on a pair of sneakers. I know what I'm saying. I didn't hit on sneakers or the website. I'm on Maniere. I got on my Maniere website and logged me out ASAP. I was like, bruh, come on, man. Come on. But like I said, this shoe right here, 10 out of 10. The material, the quality, the detail of the shoe, 10 out of 10 for sure. You know what I'm saying? These definitely clean, definitely dope. I'm just sorry I can't get y'all on feet of these things. But luckily I can get these things, these joints in hand. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get my personal opinion on this shoe. Hit subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing a little support as always, man. Follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter. I love good stuff down below. And also shout out to Corporate Man, like I said. All this stuff down below, they link to their website and also link to their Instagram, man. So go ahead over to Corporate, know what I'm saying? Say your boy Jada1 sent you, man, for sure. I appreciate y'all, man. Catch y'all at the video, man. Jada1 is out. Peace.